Let's see how to post a live photo on Instagram in 2 different ways. So first you have to open up your Instagram, just hit on this plus button, and from here you have to select your live photo. But if you don't see it immediately, just tap recent, then go to all albums and scroll down to live photos. So here you will find all your live photos in one place. Just choose any live photo and then you have to tap on the boomerang icon. So here you can see your live photo will now turn into a moving boomerang, so you can choose different boomerang effect if you want. So once you are happy, just share it to your story and that's it. Your live photo is now live on your story. But now if you want to upload a live photo as a post, just go to your profile and tap the plus icon. Now select post. Now again tap all album and choose live photos. And select the live photo you just want to upload. And now at the top left corner, you will find this photo tab. So you just have to switch it to loop. Now you can see the live photo moving like a video. I just go for next and you can make any edits you want and then tap share. So once posted, you will see the moving live photo on your profile and it will also appear in your Reels section. Isn't it super easy to post a live photo on Instagram? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.